Riu thutha wa mwiritu uria urakorirwo akidrown at Titanic Dam in Juja alongside mundurume uria urakorirwo akimenyekana ta Tyrus Maina aria marakorirwo makidrown thutha wa ngari yao gukorwo igitoboka Dam Juja, na mwiritu onake arakorwo aki-identify as Fridah Kamuyu, a woman from Murang'a County, a 22-year-old woman from Maithori, Murang'a County, na no uyu haha na Ndeto no igithiete ona mbere kumbuka ciĩgiĩ the incident, na in fact ona muthenya wa umuthi mwanake uria niwe Tyrus Maina nyakorirwo akihurukio mwena wa Nyeri Mukurwa-ini, na this is a part of his eulogy nyurakiona celebrating the life of Tyrus Maina 1984 to 17 January 2023, rest in eternal peace. And also his eulogy niwe no haha celebrating a man who was loving and caring. Nyaikorirwo wa kuhurukio kwao Nyeri Mukurwa-ini, nayo family ya mwiritu Fridah Kamuyu nikorirwo ikiyumiria. The sister to Fridah Kamuyu nyarakorirwo akiyumiria na ukorwo akiuga uyu ni sister yake, Fridah is the sister, na ndekumukana ndegwitikira gukorwo agikana sister yake. She accepts and admits ati uyu ni sister yake despite gukorwo ati she died in such an unfortunate circumstance. Keniatikirite ati uyu ni sister yake, na undu wa mbere nyarakorirwo akirekereria tribute, a very emotional tribute to her sister, akiuga rest easy sister, na gashia mbica iria ni memories riu cia sister yake, na thutha ucio araikorwo wa kuingira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria na kuhoya a Kenya uteithio, akiuga she's currently stuck outside country, she's in Saudi Arabia, that is where she is based, nikuo arutagira wira, na agakaira a Kenya makorwo makimuteithia muno, makorwo makimucangira nigetha ahote gukorwo agicokereria guku Kenya, nigetha akorwo aki-attend burial ya sister yake, so that she can say her final goodbyes to her sister niwe Fridah Kamuyu, na arakorwo agikaira a Kenya muno makorwo makimuteithia, akiuga share please and more prayers kurikia na family yake tondu it is hard.
Yes, hello guys, naitwa Mary. Yes, Fridah was my sister. Siwezi kataa, she was my sister because of what it happened. Na hakuna mtu mwenye anawishingi. Guys, this is sijui nianze wapi. I don't know where to start because every time death is strike kwenyu, hata ikuwe ilikuwa gani, I know lazima ikuwe painful kwa family members. It's Mary Kamuyu, sister to Fridah Kamuyu. Niko hapa Saudia sahi with no any means to kurudi home kuzika my sister. It's everywhere for social media. Even this thing I'm recording here, this voice, it trend mpaka niweze come back to give my sister the last respect. She was my sister, siwezi kata na siwezi deny hata kidogo. Na waomba pia hii mshare itrend mpaka nipate means ya kurudi home nizike sister yangu. Niko hapa Saudia.
Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.